The Shotgun Riders are about to embark upon the great crusade toward which we have striven these many months. The eyes of companion football are upon us. The hopes and prayers of fantasy football fans everywhere march with us. Our brave players will bring about the destruction of the Susan football machine and the elimination of heart attack tyranny over the oppressed teams of the Companion League. Our task will not be an easy one. The Heart Attacks are well trained, well equipped, and in first place. She will fight savagely. Even without Aaron Rodgers, I have full confidence in the courage and devotion and the skill of my players on the football field. We will accept nothing less than full victory. Let us beseech the blessing of Lady Luck upon this great and noble undertaking, and hope Drew Brees sprains his ankle on the first play of the game next Sunday. For security reasons, there will be no questions.